Ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing? Matthews here from Emmanuel Forex Traders. I hope you're doing great. As you can tell from my voice, I'm not really doing great myself. I actually have a terrible cough, which I hope is not COVID because I'm not tested yet. Yeah, but I just wanted to come to your space today and talk about one thing, okay? Which is one thing which is very inevitable in trading, which is losing, right? You're going to have losing trades. These things are inevitable, and you cannot control losing. Okay, you have no control over that. Basically, saying you have no control over outcome. All right, this is one of the reasons why a lot of traders end up quitting. A lot of traders end up going for the get rich quick schemes because they don't understand that this is a long term thing. This is not trying to make money right now, right? It's not about that. It's about sticking to your proven strategy. It's about being consistent with the risk management, being consistent with your system, and all that. That's what constitutes being a consistently profitable trader. All right. Also bearing in mind that at any particular time, anything can happen. Like there are no guarantees in this market. Like the market is so ruthless that such that even the most perfect trading strategy or setup can still fail. But the sad part about it is that nobody talks about it. That's the bad part about it. Like no one comes out there and tell you actually that they've lost a trade, which is very sad because losing is actually normal. However, knowing how much you can lose on a particular trade is extremely important. You need to know in advance how much are you willing to lose. If you don't know how much you're willing to lose, then it'll be something else because you hit a losing streak and then you lose a lot of money. So you being able to predefine your risk in advance and you being okay actually to lose that amount of money is what to separate you from the rest because you'll be able to take calculated risk just like that. All right. So if you look at this particular trade, this was a beautiful trade. So if you look at on the 4 hour time frame, this is Euro Swiss. You can see that this is a nice downtrend right here. Of course, therefore, we're only looking for selling opportunities, right? So if you drop down to the lower time frame, that's like the 30 minutes time frame. Let's go to the 50 minutes time frame. You're going to see that we had a nice level here. We had a nice rally based drop, looking to continue with the trend. Okay, and the signal was saying right there, the market dropped a little bit. Guess what? The market went crazy to the upside. These things happen, and you can never predict that this is going to happen. After we entered right here, the market started to drop a little bit. It went against us just like that. All right. So that's how the market is. The market is that random. The other trade we took was GU. Look, if you go to the 4 hour time frame, you can see that the dollar has been dominating, right? So we're looking forward to the continuation of the dollar, right? Like the strength of the dollar to continue. Then I see this nice level right here where we have a nice candle right there. So if I go to the lower time frame, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. You can see that this is a nice rally based drop, right? Like that's very clear. And we also have clear levels of liquidity right here. Okay. Guess what? We send the signal, the market drops about the market dropped about how many pips? About about 20 pips, 10, 14, 15 pips, and then the market did what? Went crazy to the upside. Did anyone know? Was there a way that we're going to prevent this? Nobody knows, my friend. Nobody knows. So this is the thing that people won't tell you about. They only show you when they win trades. But right here, we're trying to keep it real because I know that this is the truth out there. That's the reason why only 10% make it. So you being able to understand that anything can happen, that's going to prompt you to make sure that you're predefining your risk every time because you know that anything can happen. You don't want to be caught napping. Understand that anything can happen. Predefine your risk. It'll just take one trade to actually cover all the losses. Just one good trade. So that's how it is. That's how it is. So make sure that you predefine the risk every time, follow your age, and yeah, I hope this little video is actually helpful. You guys make sure that you respect your risk management, respect your strategy, and follow your rules. Make sure that all your rules have been made before you take the trade, because you can take a trade right now, anything can happen. Like literally anything can happen. That's the reason why we don't judge ourselves on a trade by trade basis, or on a day by day basis, or in a week by week basis. No, like you have to look at it in months performance, right? So that's how it is. That's how it's supposed to be. So like this week we hit a lot of losses this week, which is extremely hard, right? But for those that have been in the group for a while now, but for those that have been seeing our channel for a while now, we realize that we're actually profitable. Just that bad weeks are going to come, and you cannot prevent that from coming. They will come at a random time. So you have to be ready when these weeks come. All right. So stay safe out there. Prepare for next week. We come back stronger, and you do all that, right? So you make sure that we become consistently profitable. For you to become a consistent profitable trader, you need to have a consistent process. It's extremely important. So you guys, I hope that you found this video valuable. If you did, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment in the comment section, you guys. All right.